Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact the customer support in Ikea. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look in the bottom of your screen and press on your account there. After that you can just look in the top of your right corner and press on the settings. And here you can just scroll down, and after that you can just press on customer support, and you can just press on contact customer service, and here you can see basically the different kind of help topics. So if you need help generally, you will be able to find it here, and if you have a very specific problem that you need to contact the customer support for, you can just press on contact us here. And after that you can just simply select here the topic of your problem and select a subtopic as well. And now you can just press on start chat, and you can just enter there your email address that you're using with the application, and after that you can just press on start chat and you will be able to chat with a coworker from Ikea. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.